What's up guys, 405080 here, and today we have another pretty cool unboxing to do. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, first of all I want to say shout out to New York Fire Alarm Tech. This box is actually from him, and in return for this I have gone ahead and I've sent him a white 2902. Hopefully it's at his house by now, but might not be. But yeah, that's on his way. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got in here. Alrighty, so right off the bat, it looks like he's included some stuff extra in here, so we'll go ahead and start with that. This looks to be some sort of power meter, maybe? It has a note. Oh, this is a railroad crossing gate light. That's actually really cool. Was not expecting this. Thanks. Alrighty, moving on to another thing I didn't realize was coming in here. It's one of these little tiny L-series devices. These look really nice. They're really small. They're super cool looking. Alright, so right off the bat, he's spoiled me a little bit. Thank you. Yeah, definitely go subscribe to him. He's a really great person. Alright, now let's get into the actual stuff that I knew I was getting. So, first of all... Oh, this is another... Okay. Oh, here's the notes. I added 4 bonus devices. Because of your hard work, dedication, phenomenal YouTube channel. You deserve them. Congrats on those white 2902s, New York Fire Alarm Tech. Thank you so much, man. This is awesome. I'm just, I didn't show this because I didn't know if there's any sensitive information yet. But yeah, thank you so much. This is super cool of you. Alrighty, I believe this is another... Oh wait, no, this is one of the ones that I knew I was also getting. This is actually a Cornell nurse call light, but it's actually a super rare one, because if I open this up, let's flip the camera around. As you can see, this has fire lettering on it, and it's not actually a sticker, it's actually printed on the lens. So that is very cool. And yeah, it's a Cornell L101 RFL corridor light with fire lettering. I believe this is a 120 volt AC unit, but I will double check that. And yeah, very, very cool. And it also obviously can probably be converted to 24 volts DC rather easily. Very awesome. All right, here's another note from him. Another bonus device. We got a system sensor, Spectral Advance. P2RK. I believe that means it's either weatherproof or the high candela version. But yeah, it's a little weathered, it looks like, but it looks super... It actually looks super cool like this. Never seen this before. Yeah, the fire lettering's like darker red than the rest of it. It looks really cool. Alrighty, so I believe right here is one more bonus device, maybe? Or maybe not. Has a note. Oh yeah, it is a bonus device. So this is a Radionics relay card, or relay module. Very cool. So it looks like this isn't even like addressable or anything. You can just wire up the contacts how you need to use them and it will work perfectly. So yeah, it's actually just a relay. This is all the electronics on it, just some resistors and a diode and a light. So yeah, very cool. Alright, I may be wrong, but this could be I think this is one I knew I was getting. I honestly can't remember, but it probably is. Now, oh, I think I do remember this one being in here. Open up. We have a Simplex 4050. And this is the 120 volt AC version, which is super cool because you don't need any transformers or anything to run these in the US, because as it's pretty obvious, our power system runs on 120 volt AC. So yeah, I'll have to power this thing up at some point. Alrighty, I kind of opened this a bit off camera because there's some tape on it. So let's go ahead and get this out. And I finally have a device I've been wanting for a while. This is an Edwards Pre-Integrity. And the reason it's a Pre-Integrity is, as you can see, the body is a different shape. And a cool thing about these is the trim plates were the same ones as the 892 series remote horns. So that white trim plate would work with this. It's the same size. And yeah, that's super cool. Alrighty, I saved the best for last. I do not know how many people have these. They are extremely rare, I'm pretty sure. So let me go ahead and get this open off camera. Alrighty, so as you can see, this is a very unique horn. It looks a lot like a 4051. Like the mechanism is almost like the same exact thing. But instead of being like a straight rebrand, it actually has a different grill. And this grill is actually super, super cool looking. I really like this. This looks super awesome. So yeah, these are very, very cool devices. This is a 24 volt DC horn. So it will work on standard fire alarm panels that put out 24 volt DC. And yeah, it's very, very cool looking. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. As you can see, we got a lot of good things in this box. And I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.